Remember her?
Tonian Williams from Mount Alberta Park and Kindergarten in Mayville.
From 85 entrants, Tonian walked away with the top prize, including a computer, weekend for 4 at Franklin D Resorts, $10,000 in cash, and the JIS Heritage Essay Trophy.
I was rather enthused. I was happy that all my hard work had paid off.
1 year on, we caught up with this bright scholar who shared what inspired her to put pen to paper and enter the competition.
I decided to enter the competition because I thought it would be fun for me to get to express myself on the topic, 50 years later, do we still need national heroes? Because in today's society, I think it's very important for us to recognize our heroes. And I thought that I could play a part in helping to recognize our heroes.
Tonian says her mother played a pivotal role in the process.
With the help of my mother, because if I forgot to do something, she would say, "Tonian, you forgot to do so and so." And I would say, "Okay," and I got to it. So my mommy was also very motivational.
And that motivation carried over to her preparations for the Grade 6 Achievement Test. Tonian won a government scholarship to attend the prestigious Westwood High School in Trelawney.
Tonian is a go-getter. Tonian is very hardworking. Whatever she puts her mind to, she normally does very well at. It was a very rewarding feeling when she was named the winner of the essay competition for all parties that played a very important role, for example, her teachers and herself, because she has placed a lot of time and a lot of preparation into the essay itself. So when she was named the winner, I was definitely elated.
And while mother and daughter were more than pleased with the title, the trophy, and the prizes, Tonian says winning the essay competition meant much more.
My greatest experience was getting to go to King's House and meeting the Governor General, Sir Patrick Allen himself.
Today, Tonian is a rising star at Westwood High, well known and loved by her peers and teachers.
The experience has been great, although I still love my preparatory school, Mount Alvernia Prep, but I'm happy to be at the Westwood High School, and I'm happy because I've had great experiences, although I've only been here for a short period of time.
She's also quite active and involved in numerous extracurricular activities. The key for her is time management, then and now.
Well, for me, it was always about time management, managing my time wisely so that I could complete my schoolwork, but at the same time, have space to continue with extracurricular activities. So I made my timetable and I stuck to it. That way I knew that at a particular time I had to finish my homework so I could do some preparation for the essay.
And as she goes on to achieve her other goals, the industry's first former and phenomenal achiever has some words of advice for the writer who will win the 2013 JIS Heritage Essay Competition.
I hope he or she makes use of the opportunities that will be provided. I hope that they don't just stop writing because, okay, I won an essay competition. Continue to expand on your talent, continue to do well.